How to connect a Wi-Fi extender using a cable. Connect using a cable for a stable, seamless connection. For example, I connect these two devices together. Connect any Ethernet port on the Wi-Fi extender to one of the LAN ports on the main router. LAN port. Connect from any LAN port on the main router. Any LAN port. Connect to one of the Ethernet ports on the Wi-Fi extender. Any Ethernet port. To set up cable mode, disconnect the cable. Do not connect any Ethernet cable to the device. Use a phone to configure the Wi-Fi extender. Repeater, this is its default wireless network. No password. A configuration page will automatically appear after you connect to it. AP mode settings. Select access point mode. Here you set the name and password. Replace the default wireless network. Default wireless network has no password. Apply. Wait a moment for the changes to take effect. Meanwhile, connect the cable from it to the main router. Make sure this LED is green. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.